The human mouth in its ideal form. No cavities, fillings, or sign of dental disease. Unfortunately, our teeth sometimes look more like this, with dark, unsightly silver fillings. Now, there's a new kind of dental restoration available called resin fillings that can replace dark silver fillings and make your teeth look beautiful and natural again. In the past, when an old filling wore out or you had a cavity, your only option was to have another silver filling. But silver fillings have some drawbacks. The edges of the fillings undergo metal fatigue and begin to break down. They change from looking like this to this. As they age, they sometimes break in the middle. This filling has a fracture running all the way across the filling. When fillings break, they no longer seal the tooth. This lets cavities get started again. This is a cavity growing in under a filling. Silver fillings just fill holes. They don't add strength to the teeth. And they also expand as they age. So your tooth may break. The metal in silver fillings causes unsightly stains of the teeth and the gums. Now, with recent advances in materials and new laboratory techniques, we have a new filling material that avoids these problems: resin. It takes 2 appointments to replace a silver filling with a resin onlay. On the first appointment, we take out the old filling and remove any decay. Then we take an impression of the teeth. A temporary onlay is then placed in your tooth. Models are made from the impressions. At the laboratory, resin material is carefully placed into the model, and individual characterization is added to make it look natural and lifelike. On your second appointment, the temporary onlay is removed. A conditioning gel is placed on the tooth to prepare it for bonding. A bonding cement is placed in the tooth. A harmless high-intensity light bonds the resin onlay to the tooth. Excess cement is removed, and the onlay is polished to a high luster. Resin onlays look great, and since they're bonded in place, they strengthen and protect the tooth.